Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do another love bite for you. Cancer, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Cancer, let's begin with the angel blessing card and see how my angels are going to bless this reading, and then we'll go on with your reading, okay? My angels, a blessing or an advice card for my Cancer gang. A blessing or an advice card for my Cancer gang, please. A blessing, advice card or a message for my Cancer gang. This one, all right. Let's keep this one aside, Cancer. Put the rest back. The card we have for you today here, Cancer, is healing. So either you have to heal from something, Cancer, or the angels are telling you, don't worry, there is a lot of healing which is being sent to you, or some circumstance at the moment. Let's see, let's open the rest of the cards and see what this healing is about and why you need it at the moment. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being so supportive to the channel. I'm very, very grateful. Thank you. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in. So let's begin the reading, Cancer newbies. This is going to just be a 9-card small reading to check on your energies. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, you can reach me. My email is in the description box below. So let's see what your love bite has in store for you, Cancer. Want to end a fight. That's what the healing is all about, it seems, Cancer. If there's been some conflict around you, within yourself or with another, I think it's time to stop the fight now. Let's open the cards and see what it has to say. King of Pentacles in reverse and the Knight of Swords. Yes, there could have, this is like a masculine energy, somebody who was very ungrounded, who doesn't take responsibility for their actions. There could have been some words exchanged here, Cancer, and now somebody is kind of in waiting mode or seeing what else is out there. 5 of Swords in reverse, Justice in reverse, and the 9 of Pentacles upright again. So from what I see here, whatever this fight was made the other person feel really, really bad. They feel they lost. Somebody played them. Somebody played mind games with them. This was not a just fight. This was not an equal fight. And that's left somebody here feeling very restless, not being able to sleep at night, having nightmares, thinking and thinking about this fight which has gone on between the two of you. 6 of Pentacles, the Fool, and the Knight of Cups. So yes, even though this was a very unequal, unbalanced kind of a fight or relationship, and somebody ended up feeling like the fool, or now they're realizing that somebody, maybe the person who fought, this immature person, is feeling they did something foolish which they shouldn't have. I think somebody here wants to come in with an offer of love or an apology to end this fight. So let's start clarifying these cards. Knight of Pentacles, Spirit. Knight of Pentacles. Somebody here was keeping a lot of secrets. It was really emotionally overwhelming. It came to a point, I think, Cancer, where one or both parties decided that it's best that we shut this chapter between us. This is going to go nowhere. Even though both of you, I think, feel a lot of love for each other, whatever argument, fight, or whatever has happened, left somebody feeling, in the dark. Now, I think the same person, I think you guys have tried. Guys have tried. There's a lot of love here. Things were maybe at one point going smoothly. That you had decided to work together with each other. But whatever fight has happened now has kind of Yes, here's the fight card again. Knight of Pentacles in reverse, clarifying the Knight of Swords upright. So, yes, whatever, there was love, there was working together, but because of this one person's immature, ungrounded behavior, somebody got really, really emotional here, Cancer, and has decided, hey, I don't want to work on this partnership anymore. This person's fighting I can't take. This partnership is not going in the correct direction. It's taking another direction altogether. Maybe it's time for me now to see what else is out there. Maybe I need to, yes, have a creative new beginning for myself and see what else is out there. Whoever was on the other side, I think, felt really, really betrayed. They felt played. They felt beaten down. They felt they lost in this dynamic. Things were just not right. Felt, just a second, please. Sorry. Oh my God, this phone is not stopping. Let me just shut it down. Okay. So they felt, things have really ended between the two of you now, and feeling left out and abandoned in the cold because of somebody's manipulative behavior. I have the other person feeling really torn down, lost, abandoned, feeling nothing can be salvaged from this relationship because now there is no justice left. Yes, I have the Five of Swords in reverse once again. Right? So this is how badly hurt the other party is. Not the King of Pentacles in reverse, the other person. Okay, so that would be the feminine side, I guess, who's feeling like I've been had here. This is leading to nothing. So having sleepless nights, having sorrow, having regret, a lot of anger. The thought of going back to this person is giving them sleepless nights, giving them anger. Okay, what should I do? What should I do? Very, very upset and angry energy here. They feel that things have not been balanced, things have not been fair, there has been no equal give and take in this relationship. They feel whatever has happened has backfired now, and they are no longer interested in putting in any more work into this dynamic. They feel somebody fooled them, or they feel like they were made to feel like a fool here. And yes, they feel now decisions have to be made here. This can't go on forever. I need to drop this fight and I need to now maybe see what else is out there. I do have the masculine side, I think, now wanting to take action again. They are now clear about what has happened. They've been feeling very restless. They want to take action. What is this action, Spirit? They want to reveal all. They don't want to keep any more secrets. They want to talk. If you guys have not been talking to each other, Cancer, they want to now start talking to you. They are building up their courage, I think, to come back, to bring in this offer of love or apology and make things right. Yes, there is a bit of delay going on, though. There is a bit of delay going on because somebody is trying to wait for the other person to heal a little bit. I think the fight has been that bad that the masculine is realizing that the feminine is kind of really, really upset at the moment. So giving them a little bit time to calm down, cool down before they can come back with an offer of new love. Yes, they know that they have done something really wrong, which they shouldn't have. They are also feeling the brunt of their bad deeds. They are feeling their bad karma is going to now bite them. They are not feeling very victorious. So I have two people here after a fight, both really not feeling very happy, both kind of feeling that they lost finally in the end because the fight was that bad. And yes, it's time, I think, to drop the fight, Cancer. Whoever is not being able to show their emotions has a lot of love. They do want to come out of this cold, abandoned place with you. They do want to talk to you again and bring healing and balance back to the relationship. Okay, so Cancer, if you've been going through a fight with someone, this person is kind of feeling apologetic now, and they're also feeling as much a loser as they've made you feel. Okay, so that's all I have, Cancer. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.